morning, guys. September 5th, 2024. So never got a call from a guy who owns an insurance company. And I don't believe I ever worked for this guy before. He's got a problem with his AC. He went over there and I guess he said he went upstairs and he changed the filter. The filter was one of those washable ones. And he put it back in there, let it dry. And I guess, you know, the unit did ice up, so he did shut it off, clean the filter and whatnot. He says the outside unit's only a couple of years old, but the guy never changed the inside unit. But he did say he did change the metering device on it or something for the older system. So we're going over there now. We're gonna, you know, start it up, put the gauges on it, and see what it's doing. And I asked him if there was any water in the secondary pan upstairs. He said he didn't see any. Well, he didn't look. He didn't know what he was looking for. So we might go up in the attic, take a quick peek at what's up there, and then start it up. It's not that warm out. It's probably like maybe 68 degrees. But I guess he's got clients coming today, and he wants to see if I can get it fixed before the clients come in. Got a couple hours to play around over there, and it's probably low on gas, most likely. That's what I'm thinking. Might be a capacitor. We'll see when we get there. Wow, 5 tons. That's flipping crazy, man. Little building. Wow. We go here, cutler hammer. A little breaker. Somebody's been in here. The screws are all loose. It's a little Goodman system. This fucking tiny this building is. 5 tons. Wow. Way oversized. That's a fucking shit show. I don't see no water in the pan, so. It does have a TXV on it, so we'll have to see. Bucket don't have any water in it. It's got a TXV there. Look at, you'll never get this coil out. It's up against this flipping stud. Can never get the coil out. Wow. Should have put it this way. Fucking hack job. What a fucking hack job. Yeah, that's right up against the stud. Alright, so it's a TXV. He did change the filter. It's on the side there. Wow. Let me just do a quickie on this thing, check the fan. Not supposed to be that fast or what? I don't know. There's only one speed on this thing. Yeah, there's only one speed. There's no adjustment on it. Go forward and back, that's it. I wish there was an adjustment on the flipping thing, but there's not. No adjustment. No, I don't think so, unless you just go. Yeah, just pull the trigger slow. That's what it is. Looks like he's got the doors on backwards. Right? Maybe not. It's a downdraft. It's a downdraft. I don't see any blinking on the coat. I don't see any blinking going on the board. Oh, look at this flipping. It's a downdraft. Looks like a newer unit too. $80,000 BTUs for a 5-ton. Man, like way oversized. I don't know. Looks like a flipping hack job to me. I mean, nothing's going queer on the board here. Let's run the fan and see what happens. Going through a float switch down there. Is there any water in that pan? I don't see any of it. No water. No water in the pan. That's good. Why do I get involved in the hack jobs? Look at it. Fucking hack job from home. Hack job from hell, Mama. Goodman makes a downdraft. I didn't think they made one. Yeah. Well, next time. At least this guy's got B vent going up. Alright, here's fun. Fan's running. Yeah, I guarantee it's low on gas. She's gonna be a leaker. Can't get the coil out. The guy's got it jammed up against the fucking wood. Look at our subcooling at 9. Our subcooling's already at 9. Look at the flipping superheat. Something's way off. That superheat. I'm gonna have to put a little bit of gas in it and try to bring that subcooling down. See, at 69. We're gonna try to put some gas in it. Fucking joke. Get involved in this trash. Someone else's hack job. I get involved in it. See if we could put a little juice in the fucker. I'm gonna put a little, how you doing in there, and see, bring that, we'll bring that, superheat down some. We'll put some in it. See what happens. bring this pressure up, try to bring that superheat down. I don't think that's a 5-ton coil up there, I'll tell you. It doesn't seem like enough airflow. I'm gonna get that suction above 100. Got a flipping leak. Not good. I'm gonna try to bring that suction up above 100 there. See how we're low? That's too low. It's gonna ice. I'll give it some gas. Bring that subcooling up some. We're right around 97. We gotta come up higher than that. Bring the subcooling up to about 11. Then that superheat should come down. Flipping joke. Fucking hack job from hell. Hack job from hell, mama. You see that? Let's try that. She's still pretty high on the TXV bulb. We'll give it some more. Give it some more. Bring this subcooling up to 11 or so and try that. Put some gas in the thing, I'll tell you right now. Flipping hacker from hell put this thing in. Alright, we're looking better here now. We're looking better here now. See, we're at 112. 25 on the superheat. Subcooling is still going to put a little bit more in it. It's looking better. I'll give it some more juice. What a flipping hack job. Getting some heat out of the top of the thing now. Alright, let's try that. That's better. Subcooling's at 10. Superheat's at 12, 14. That's better. 113 on the suction. That's looking better there. A little low on gas. Got a leak somewhere in this fucker. Probably up in that coil. You can't get it apart now because it's against the building. Crazy. Alright, we'll leave it right there. Don't forget, it's not really a hot day, so it's still kind of cool out. 9 on the subcoolant. See how this is bouncing around. Probably got air in the system too. You know, this is going up and down. Didn't pull a good vacuum on it. Fucking hack job. Wow. Use up all my flipping gas. Dump the rest of it, whatever's in the hose in there, and be done with it. That'll be our final right there. I'll call this guy and let him know what he's got to deal with, and it's not going to be pretty. Put it that way. Any leaks. It's soft solder anyway on the thing. We'll see a leak in there at them. Alright guys, just left that building over there, and I'm with a little tiny building, maybe like a little 2.5 ton is all he needs over there. Maybe a 3 at the most. I'd have to measure up the ductwork, but I put 5 pounds of refrigerant in there, and I called the guy and told him what was going on. He said it's only a couple of years old. He said, well, you gotta call back the guy who put that coil in because I can't even get it out. And he says, well, he's retired now. What a flippin' hack job from hell. Why would you put a coil in like that with it? You can't even pull the coil out. It's in the wrong way. Flippin' hack. Flippin', that's what they call a downflow furnace. Vent went out the back. Unbelievable. Well, you know, I hate to even get involved with fucking hack jobs like that, you know? It ain't gonna be done today, that's for sure.